In partnership with Region 4 Education Service Center, Cypress Fairbanks ISD celebrated the first year of its paid teacher residency program, a groundbreaking approach to growing future educators.
It was very helpful to have Region 4 be the ones helping us bring the universities together, voices of the principals, the voices from HR, and help us process through the year of planning.
Teacher residents, host teachers, principals, and leaders from Region 4 and CFISD gathered to recognize a successful pilot year and a bold next step forward.
That connection we've always shared with Region 4, they know what our needs are and they know exactly how they can support us. I've always been impressed with the student teachers, the interns that come, and they have worked with Region 4 to get their teacher certification. There is a marked difference. So I'm excited about that we're going to get to have this true partnership.
Over the past year, 7 residents trained full-time on CFISD campuses, supported by experienced mentors and campus leaders, learning by doing every single day.
Going into this, you don't realize the relationship that you're going to build with the teacher resident and how mentoring her would make a difference in my own life.
I'm so grateful for this opportunity and for this experience. I know that this has been my dream for such a long time, and this is what I've always wanted to be. I've always wanted to be a teacher. It's a full circle moment, and obviously coming back to the school that I went to is really amazing, truly amazing.
Region 4 and CFISD are now preparing to grow the program from 7 residents to 70 in 2025-26.
Nobody does it better than Region 4 in collaborating with one of the most progressive districts in the state of Texas. And so we have that opportunity to collaborate, to foster, and to invest in our potential candidates. And so what a great opportunity.
Together, Region 4 and CFISD are building a stronger teacher pipeline, one resident at a time.